Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 100 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen for a couple of seconds to open the watch face menu. And once you open the watch face menu, you can swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through the list of watch faces. Now find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also change the watch face through settings, so we can swipe down from the top of the screen on the home screen to open the quick panel, tap on the settings icon. Here we can tap on display and then find the option called style and select it. It will open the watch face menu, and again you can swipe up and down, find the watch face you'd like to use and tap on it to select it and apply it like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.